Family, stop fighting two legs. The enemy wants you distracted, arguing with people, plotting revenge, and living in anger. But Scripture tells us that people are not our real enemy. As believers, our fight has never been against flesh and blood. It's against the spiritual forces influencing this fallen world. Listen to what Yah's word says in Ephesians 6:12. For we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principalities, against powers, against the rulers of the darkness of this world, against spiritual wickedness in high places. That means the person who lied on you, the person who betrayed you, the person who hurt you, they're a two-leg. They're not your true enemy. The enemy would love nothing more than for you to waste your energy fighting people while neglecting the battle that actually matters. So how do we fight? Not with fists, not with revenge, not with hateful words. We fight on our knees. 2 Corinthians 10:3-5 says, Though we walk in the flesh, we do not war after the flesh. For the weapons of our warfare are not carnal, but mighty through Elohim, to the pulling down of strongholds. Prayer is a weapon. Fasting is a weapon. The Word of Yah is a weapon. Faith is a weapon. Obedience is a weapon. Praise is a weapon. These are the weapons that tear down strongholds. When Yeshua was tempted by Satan in the wilderness, he didn't argue. He didn't use physical force. He answered with Scripture. The Word of Yah defeated every temptation. That should teach us something. The greatest victories are won spiritually before they're ever seen physically. And remember what Romans 12:19 says, Beloved, avenge not yourselves, for it is written, Vengeance is mine. I will repay, saith Yah. You don't have to get even. Yah sees everything. Nothing escapes his eyes. Our responsibility is faithfulness. His responsibility is justice. Yeshua also said in Matthew 10:28, Fear not them which kill the body, but rather fear him which is able to destroy both soul and body in Gehenna. Many people spend their lives afraid of what another two-leg can do. But Scripture says our reverence should belong to Yah alone. People can insult you. People can reject you. People can even harm your body. But Yah alone is judge over every soul. That is why we walk in the fear of Yah, not in the fear of man. So the next time someone attacks you, before you react, pray. When someone spreads lies, pray. When you're tempted to seek revenge, pray. When spiritual warfare increases, pray even more. Don't let the enemy pull you into a fleshly battle when Yah has already given you spiritual weapons that are far more powerful. Family, stop fighting two legs. Fight in prayer. Fight with the Word. Fight through faith. Fight by living in obedience to Yah. Leave vengeance in His hands, because the battle belongs to Yah, and His power has never failed. If this message encouraged you, share it with someone who needs to stop fighting people and start fighting the right battle. Like, comment, and subscribe so we can continue to bring you true gospel talk. Shalom.